Thank you for tuning in to Podcast VAs Philippines, the biggest community for Filipino podcast virtual assistants and podcasters alike, created to connect podcasters and podcast producers, as well as help aspirants learn more about podcasting and podcast management. To join our exclusive Facebook group, search Podcast VAs Philippines dahil sama-sama tayo rito. And you don't need to take your podcast journey alone. Podcast VAs Philippines is powered by Zencaster, the first web-based platform that records high-quality audio and now video, because internet dropouts should not affect the quality of your recordings. Sign up for a 100% free hobbyist account or get a 20% off Zencaster's Pro plan for 3 months by using the coupon code PODCASTVAs. You are listening to the segment called Podcast VAs Tips. In these segments, we bring you short excerpts from our live recordings, mostly from the different guests we invited on the show. These short excerpts will give you a straight answer from our podcast expert on a specific question or topic related to podcasting or podcast management. So sit back and expect to learn in 10 minutes or less. Ayan, may question si Altia kanina pa to before kayo nag-present. Sabi niya, good evening. Ask ko lang po how you start to get client as a podcast editor.
How you start to get client. Ano ba, yung dati naming ginawa ni Se or yung ngayon? Kasi ang dati naming ginawa is nag-take advantage kami nga dun sa internship namin. So, ginawa namin siyang sa generosity ni Tasha noon, she allowed us to use it as yung samples. Halimbawa, pagka naghihingi ng sample yung mga prospects, pinayagan kami kasi we asked Tasha kasi syempre hindi naman amin yun, di ba? We asked her if we have her approval to use it as a sample for us to get our own client. In my case, ganun yung ginawa ko. Yung sample ko from Tasha's internship, yun yung ginawa kong sample. That's why parang hindi naman easy, pero kung meron na akong dalang agad
Jumpstart,
yun.
yeah.
Parang may o-offer na ako sa kanya, hindi, ito may sample na ako, ganun. Pero if you are going to start now, kasi lahat naman, di ba, open na online, digital, alam naman natin because of the pandemic, I would really ask, asan ba sila muna? Saan ba yung gusto mong iserve? Nasa Instagram ba sila? Nasa Facebook, nasa LinkedIn, or baka naman nasa Upwork, nasa Online Jobs PH, nasa mga Facebook groups. So, I would identify first kung saan sila tumatambay, yung gusto kong makatrabaho. Kasi 'di ba, mahirap mag-edit ng hindi mo gusto yung yung papakinggan mo. So, siguro may idea na siya, 'di ba? Kung nandito ka sa loob ng group, I'm pretty sure Ma'am Shinilin was able to nurture all of you and also educate kung ano ba yung podcast production. So, yun yung una kong gagawin. Hanapin ko muna, nasan ba sila? Nasaan ba yung gusto kong katrabaho? Mga ba sila, nasa TikTok ba sila, nasa Instagram, ganun. I would start there. I would really audit, yung lagi kong ginagawa, audit muna, nasaan ba sila? Ayun. Ewan ko Se, ikaw Se.
Ano naman sa akin, Ating Ellie, siguro since yung group naman natin dito sa podcast VA Philippines are diverse, so merong mga podcaster, at the same time merong mga aspiring podcast VA. Naniniwala tayo, Ating Ellie, sa collaboration, 'di ba? So the more you can offer your pwede kayong mag-tap inside this group, baka meron ditong podcaster na nangangailangan ng someone na mag-edit for them. So pwede kayong mag-collab, tapos mag-usap kayo, parang can I use your show as pang portfolio, sample work, or pwedeng bang after nito, bigyan mo ka ng magandang testimonial para lang magamit ko as proof na marunong ako ng ganitong task. So, parang, nga yung tawag natin dito, Ating Ellie, parang low-hanging fruit. Tingnan mo muna kung sino ba dun sa network or dun sa malapit sa'yo yung pwede mong itap. Or ikaw mismo, baka kaya ka nandito sa Podcast VA Philippines is gusto mong mag-start ng podcast mo, hindi mo lang alam kung kailan mo siya sisimulan. Ayan, since may opportunity na parang pwede mo rin pala siyang pagkakitaan in the long run, start your podcast. Tapos gawin mong parang BCS or breakthrough case study yung sarili mong content para at least, diba, titingnan mo kung gaano ka-perfectionist, kung gaano ka-critical sa pag-edit ng sarili mong show. Ayan.
I hope that episode helped. Be on the loop for future episode with loads of learning by subscribing to this podcast on Spotify, YouTube, Amazon Podcast, or wherever you listen to your podcast. Connect with Filipino podcasters, podcast VAs, and aspiring podcast VAs by joining our group. You may also follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube. Simply search Podcast VAs Philippines. For questions or inquiries, email us at podcastvasph@gmail.com. I hope you have a great day, keep hustling, and we'll see you on the next one.